Welcome to Rika's Reading Room. Today I'll read a Father's Day book called I Love My Daddy. I hope you like it. I Love My Daddy by Giles Andreae and Emma Dodd. I love my daddy. Yes, I do. He's very kind and funny too. He teaches lots of things to me. I think he's clever. So does he. He lets me climb up on his back, and we play horses. Click, clack, click. He sings me all his favorite songs. I love to dance and sing along. His shoes are very big and brown. They make me look just like a clown. He lifts me on his shoulders high until I nearly touch the sky. And when we're playing on the swings, he does all sorts of silly things. For fun, when Mommy's not at home, we sometimes watch TV alone. At supper time, if he's polite, I always let him have one bite. I really love to cuddle him and feel the prickles on his chin. He tucks me safely into bed, then tells me stories from his head. My daddy's such a lovely man. In fact, I am his biggest fan. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a great day. See you soon.